Hi everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good. So, last episode, we learned that present perfect. So, from that continuation, we would like to start now. By the way, how long have you been coming to these classes? How long have you been coming to the classes?
Since
Last week
3 months.
Complete answer. You have been coming
from 3 months. We have been coming since 3 months.
since 3 months, or any other answer you know? Some correction in your sentence.
We have been coming from 3 months.
We've been coming to the classes for 3 months. Okay, for 3 months. Good. Okay. And Anusha, you're looking a bit tired. What have you been doing since morning?
I was preparing for my exam and I attended an interview.
That's
That was really good.
Mm-hmm.
And they asked me many questions regarding my resume.
Good.
And later I had
Okay, regarding your resume, they asked you many questions. Acha.
they went through all my resume, whatever I wrote in that my resume. They
Okay.
asked me everything, and then we had a class,
Good.
and after that I
Okay, right. So you have been doing some work since morning. Means you have been attending an interview, right? And you have of course attended now, and a few more rounds are left for you.
this was the final round.
Right, okay, good. So you've been attending an interview. Kaspar Reddy, are you a native of Hyderabad? Are you from Hyderabad? Is your native place Hyderabad? Where are you from?
Guntur test.
Guntur. Then when did you come to Hyderabad?
6 months back.
6 months ago you came to Hyderabad. So since for these 6 months you have been staying in Hyderabad? Okay, so you have been staying in Hyderabad for 6 months. Good. Buchi Babu, you are working somewhere I think?
I am working in Amazon Development Center.
Amazon. Okay. When did you get the job?
I got in 3 years before,
You got a job 3 years ago?
but not a permanent role.
Okay. That's not a problem. But you have you been working in Amazon only for all these 6 months?
Yes,
For 6 months?
3 years.
3 years. So you've been working in Amazon only for 3 years. Okay. Though not it's a permanent job. Though not a permanent job, but you're almost permanent for 3 years. So you joined 3 years ago. Good. Manikanta, are you also working?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you working?
I am working in Carvi Computers.
You are working as a part-timer in that?
No, ma'am, full time.
A full-time job, right, good. So you've been working in Carvi company. For how long?
For 8 months.
For 8 months. So 8 months ago you joined there. Good, right. Shravani, do you like playing games?
Yes, ma'am, I like.
Right. So if you, what games do you like playing?
I like table tennis
Good.
and badminton.
If you play badminton, one day if you start playing it, how long do you play the game?
30 minutes.
For 30 minutes continuously. Then at 30 minutes you take a break.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you restore the game.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. So if at that 30 minutes time, after that 30 minute slot, if Anusha asks you, what have you been doing? What do you answer after your first 30 minutes of play? If Anusha asks you, right? What have you been doing?
I played badminton for 30 minutes.
I played or I have been playing. You played 30 minutes for 30 minutes, but just then you completed. And you are going to play it again? Right. So I have been. Right. This is where we say have been playing or has been playing, have been or has been plus V4. That means a verb in continuous form. We call it as a present perfect continuous tense. How does this tense help us? what do we express with this tense? What are the time phrases? What is the difference between just completed and still going on? Right? Okay. When you are you are attending a class now. So when I ask you what are you doing, then you say we are attending a class. But how long have you been attending the class? It depends on 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, like that. See, what you are expressing here is right now is at this moment. That is a very short period of action. Then we say we are attending the class. But if that short period it is extended to, right, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, for a few days slot, then that long duration of time we express with present perfect continuous tense. If you just look at it, you can observe this is not one tense. This is speaking about two tenses in fact. As Shravani said, I have just completed that play, madam, so I said I played for 30 minutes. I have played badminton. I have played table tennis, because after she stopped it, when I ask, she says I have played. Means by the time I ask her, the action is over. But when I ask you, it's still going on. That is normally you say I am playing badminton. So I have played badminton for 30 minutes. Now I am playing badminton. By connecting these two time periods, we say one tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. A person starts doing something and after some time some part of the work is over. But the complete work is not over. Then as a continuation we use this tense. But for continuation we have a tense called present continuous. We are playing, right? I have played, I am playing. That connectivity we show with I have been playing tennis or badminton for 30 minutes or for 40 minutes for 1 hour. Okay, that is present perfect continuous. In earlier classes, present tense you learnt, present perfect tense you learnt, present continuous also you learnt. In simple present, regular and repeated actions we discuss. So Shravani likes to play badminton, tennis. Anusha is attending interviews. Harika, what are you doing these days, Harika?
I am learning.
You are learning English, right? Kaspar Reddy, how do you come to the institute?
Ramakrishna.
How do you come every day?
10 o'clock.
How do you come? Not at what time? How do you come? Do you come by bus?
Bus.
Okay. So Kaspar Reddy comes to this class by bus. These are present tenses, present continuous tenses. Right. Manikanta, how many days of your work have you finished? How far have you finished your training in Karvi?
2 months.
2 months. So you have taken training for 2 months, right? He has finished it. Now he is continuing it, right? He is continuing working there. So this present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, a combination of all this we can say present perfect continuous tense. So once you start some work here in the past, right? And you have done it up to the present, right? And here in the present, instead of completing this work, you are still doing it, continuing, right? So the work is going on, and now this completely we call as present perfect continuous tense. If it is present perfect tense starts in the past and ends in the present only. So by the time you speak, it's been over. Present continuous means it's going on now. But present perfect continuous is both the cases. Right? Then when you say, she has been playing tennis for 40 minutes. Right. She is playing tennis. Right. She is playing tennis now. She has played it for half an hour already. Means already she has played for 30 minutes and now also she is playing. By this 40 minute slot we say she has been playing tennis for 40 minutes. Right? This is our auxiliary verb, which you call as helping verb also. And this is a V3 form of our be form. And this playing is V4, which is verb plus ing. Because for present perfect tense, we need have or has plus V3. Right? And for present continuous tense, we need a B4, B plus V4. Combining these two tenses, this V3 and this B is expressed as
B.
That's why we have got this structure. Right? This is the life of our tense. Because this is third person singular, we say she has been playing tennis for 40 minutes. If in this place of she, when you make out they, a plural,
Have been.
right? In the place of has, you write have. The rest all you write as it is. Right? Singular plural differences we find only in this case. Right, good. Anusha, since how long have we been enjoying the fruits of democracy?
We have been enjoying the fruits of democracy since many years.
Since many years or for many years?
For many.
Okay, right. Then, do we say that since 1947?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Because we got independence in 1947. So, since 1947, say that sentence. We have been
Enjoying the
fruits of
fruits of democracy.
right, democracy and independence. Right, okay, good. When did you join your schooling? When did you start your schooling? When did you join your schools? Approximately 15 years, 20 years, right? 20 years, more than 20 years ago. Because you are all doing your graduation now. And some have finished their graduation. So, 20 years ago you started your learning process. Are you still learning?
Yes.
Right? Because learning is unending. So, make a sentence out of it.
We have
been learning
Since
since our childhood
For 20 years.
for
20
almost
years.
20 years.
So, what are these since and for? That we have to see. Since is the beginning, where you start your work, that we call as since. And the whole duration of this work you call as for. So since we call as point of time, right? Point of time, because here this point we start our verb, and this for is called as period of time. Usually the mistakes which you are committing now, when I ask in this since and for, this is the main drawback, or this is where you people commit mistakes, right? That we'll see. Now in this case, since is used for point of time, you learnt already. So with since, what are the adverbs of time we use? Let us check out. Since, you can write the years. Since 1947, right? Since 2005, since 2014. Has TRS government been in rule, been administrating the state since 2014, right? Because in 2014 elections, this party came into power. Since 2014, this TRS government has been administrating the state, ruling the state, governing the state. And since how long has PV Sindhu been playing badminton?
Since
Her childhood.
Yes, 2016 she got a silver medal in Olympics. So to reach that stage, and is she playing now also?
Yes.
So since her childhood, she has been playing badminton, right? She has been playing. So this is reason. And like this age called childhood, since our school days, right? Like this. And the phrases like last year, last month, last week, last Monday, etc. also you can use. Okay. And in shifts of the day, you can also write that since morning. In this last year, last month, last week, last Monday, last evening, last night also we use. But when you say morning and day afternoon, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, this morning, this afternoon, right? Morning, afternoon, evening, this way also you can use. And then time, exact schedule of time you say, since 10 a.m., right? Or since 11:30 p.m., right? Since 11:30 last night or midnight. Like this you can go with the phrases 11:30. Like this you say. Okay, since. And for these years, months, dates and all this only, and here also we have dates, right? Dates. These dates come under our 10th of March, right? 10th of March or 16th Feb, those dates also you can. In for period of time and all, we see this for 2 years. Many years, right? Like this way. And for 3 weeks, 7 days, like anything in period. Okay. If you say here since July, August, like this, if you write the months names, here we say since here, like for 5 months, 18 months, etc. we can make out. Okay. And here half an hour, 1 hour, many hours. This way also we say. Okay. This is how we connect these adverbs of time with present perfect continuous tense. Right? Okay, good. Go with some more examples. And then maximum our questions are how long or since when. How long or since when. After this you write have you been learning, or since when has she been dancing. Like this you make the questions, WH questions. And then we make questions with helping verbs also, like have. Have you been teaching here for 10 years? Right? Has your friend been studying in this college for a long time? Thus you can make questions, right? Rest of the details we'll see next class with when you come with your homeworks, right? Good. Work on these and collect a few verbs and make sentences like this. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.